गुड मॉर्निंग एंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग सॉल्यूशंस। आपका बहुत स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में। If you are a first time viewer of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the bell notification icon to stay updated on all the videos, and also share, comment on the videos. You can reach out to us on 9113211787. We are on WhatsApp. You can also reach us on Telegram. The same number is used on Telegram as well. If you want to join Telegram channel, a secret channel where we discuss all the strategies and educational videos are shared, please click on the description box below. You can directly go and join the channel. If you don't have an equity account, if you don't have a trading account, please open an account with Zerodha. The link is in the description box below. You can click on the link and open an account in 5 to 10 minutes if you have all the KYC documents ready. So quickly jumping on to today's video, we are going to discuss about the 7 rules, basic rules for intraday trading. The first one is time the market. See, this is one of the most important rules that you have to follow. There are 7 basic rules that we are going to discuss today. The first one being taking positions between noon and 1 p.m. can increase the possibility of earning profit. So which means if you are an intraday trader, you have to be very vigilant of how the market is doing, and calls between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. can see a lot of volatility. Please make sure you are watching the market throughout the day. If you are a full-time trader, you can do this. If you are a part-time trader, you can set alerts so that you can watch the market, you can see what the trend is. So the second is to have a strategy, very clear strategy as to what you want to do with the market. So initiate a trade with a clean plan about stop loss. When you are an intraday trader, you need to make sure you have a target and you have a stop loss. Suppose you want to buy a share at 100 rupees, for example, your stop loss must be 95. Your profit should be somewhere between 110 to 115. So you need to have a clear distinction between the profit and the loss. Only when you have discipline when you are trading, you will be able to succeed. Please make a note of this. The third one being exiting the position under unfavorable conditions, which means if you see the trade is not moving in your direction or your call, what you can do is you have to immediately square off the trade. Which means if the market is not in your favor, do not proceed with the call, do not proceed with the strategy, square off the trade. Which means you are not giving 100% to lose, you are squaring off and you are losing money. If you are losing money, please make sure you are cutting off the loss that you are incurring, and you make sure the capital that you have invested is safe to an extent. Moving on to the fourth point, small start. So this is one of the most important points which have to be discussed. Please take a note of this, because if you are an intraday trader, I would definitely suggest you not to trade for the first couple of months. I want you to paper trade. I want you guys to follow how the stock is moving, what the market direction is, how the indexes are looking at. Global markets are also very important in this regard. So you need to make a note of all this, and then when you are starting intraday, you should not start with a lot of money. You should start with very minimal amount of money that you can only afford to lose. I tell all the people who join my seminars, who join our trading sessions, people who join our courses, the same point is discussed over and again, time and again. You do not put in a lot of money so that you end up in loss and you are in debt. Please invest money which you can only afford to lose. This is the basic mantra of the market. If you don't believe this, it is going to be very hard. Do not bring in money in debt. You will only invest money that you have in savings. So if you ask me what is the smallest amount that you can invest, I will say you can start investing by 1000 rupees, for which an account with Zerodha will give you up to 12 times leverage, which is 12,000 rupees. So it is a very good amount of experience that you gain when you trade with Zerodha. The platform is very sleek, the platform is very neat, so I would definitely suggest that you open an account with Zerodha. Not more than 1,000 rupees when you start trading. You can start slowly increasing your capital as and when your profits are increasing. So my suggestion is, if you have secured your capital, if you have 1,000 rupees invested in stock market, for example in your intraday, if you have invested 1,000 rupees, you can set aside the capital when you see profit of 1,000 rupees and only start trading with the profit amount. So this is the strategy which can be used throughout your lifetime. This can also be a retirement plan for many of us. People who work in corporates have to have a job even after a certain age. Only then you will be able to lead your life comfortably, or if you need to have enough retirement funds with you, only then you will be able to live peacefully. But what I suggest is having trading or investing as a backup plan for your retirement. This is going to be very helpful. So start early, start saving, start trading is the mantra. Moving on to the next strategy, liquid stocks. You have to only look at stocks which are liquid, which are volatile in the market. So when I say liquid stocks like Tech Mahindra, stocks like Vedanta, stocks like TCS, Wipro are very volatile in the market. Wipro may not be very volatile, but for an example, stocks which are very volatile tend to give us good results. So investing only stocks which are being traded in the market. Do not invest on stocks which do not trade, which have reach the redundancy. Do not get into trades where you don't see profits and you end up paying huge brokerage. The next point being, always close all open positions. Adopt a disciplined approach and close all open positions daily, irrespective of profit or loss. Which means if you have an open trade, if you're an intraday trader, if at all you have incurred loss, you should set yourself a stop loss at 5% of any trade. If you have not set yourself a stop loss, make sure you're not carrying forward your loss. You put your loss to rest for the day, so that you can pick up a new trade next day and you can start trading with a new approach, or with a new strategy that we can discuss in the video. So the last strategy, or the last point that I want to discuss is spend time. So like I said earlier, you have to have enough experience even before you start making money on stock market. You have to invest a lot of time understanding how stocks work, how stocks are performing in the market in the current situation, COVID pandemic. You need to see what are the quarterly profits of the company. You need to see what are the annual profits of the company. You need to study profit and loss of the company, and only then you will be able to understand if the company is doing good or not. So basically these are the 7 points I wanted to discuss for a beginner who wants to trade. Guys, discipline is very important when you are trading. Please make a note of this, and if you have any questions, you can directly ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, and you can also reach out to us on the Facebook link, which is in the description box below. Do not hesitate to share this video with your friends. Please make sure all your queries are answered in the comment box, and do subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell on the right hand top corner. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.